In this practice part, we will have a look on how to automatically build monitoring for our model. We will use MonitoringDeco class from LightAutoML. We start with common constant definitions and data processing, where we use a dataset for binary classification task, then split data in train and test parts. And here we artificially define epochs for our data samples. We do it artificially because there are no division in our dataset. So we split our data in 10 equally sized epochs using the following method. Then we define our TableAutoML class, where we specify which algorithms we will train and also other hyperparameters. Then we create MonitoringDeco class, where we choose the output path where the report will be stored, and also its file name. Then we simply wrap our AutoML class into MonitoringDeco, as we did in the case of ReportDeco. Then we assign roles to our features, the target feature, and we also drop several features because there are too many of them. Then we feed our model on training data and make predictions, where we can see in the end our model looks like an ensemble of 3 algorithms, and each of them have area under ROC equals 0.71 and something. So after that we make our predictions and update our monitoring with each epoch. Here we do it artificially to simulate the process where we obtain some more data on each step and add this new data to previous stored statistics. And then we save some info if we would like to see it after. So here is the generated, automatically generated report for our monitoring, where model overview, data overview, and feature importance, and also detailed model results are the same as there were for ReportDeco. And here we have 2 additional sections. And the first one is data shift section, where subsections for each feature. And each subsection stores 2 plots. The first one is PSI for the feature itself, for each of our 10 epochs. And the second one is null percentage comparisons for every epoch. Here we have such huge values for PSI because our data is small, and there are, I guess, 50 samples for each epoch, and it's obviously not enough to build a trusty distribution. So yes, there are such plots for each feature. And after that we have model shift plots, where we can see PSI between training model predictions on training data and also for all of our epochs. And here we can see model's mean prediction for each of epochs also. So this is how you can build an automatically monitoring module. Thank you for your attention.